In today's video, I'll be covering all the steps I took to organize and prepare for my daughter's 5th birthday party. This was our first time inviting over friends and also our first time holding a party at a venue, which we decided would be at Chuck E. Cheese, my daughter's first choice and her favorite place of all time. After making a $50 deposit and finalizing the date and time we wanted our Chuck E. Cheese birthday party to be on, I set up the event at partylabs.com. What I really loved about this event hosting site was that it did not require you or anyone who was RSVPing to make an account. I simply input my email and went ahead to create the event. Your email will then include a link that only you, as the host, can access and make any necessary edits. The rest of the process was quite simple. I input the date, time, and location of the party. I also personalized the event page a bit with a cute photo of the birthday girl. And in the description box, I gave a quick rundown of the party with details not included in the written invitations, as well as my contact information. Then I checked the event page custom links and transcribed that onto the paper invitations that will be sent to all my daughter's classmates at school. I personally do not like calling to RSVP, and I'm sure many may feel the same, so having the option to RSVP online I feel like is a pretty awesome convenience, especially since the Party Labs website will send an email reminder 24 hours before the event. Another convenience I was made aware of during the party was that many parents expressed to me how much they really appreciated having the earlier start time of 10 a.m. so that they can enjoy the rest of their day off. These written invitation cards were sent out a month in advance since we needed a rough estimate as to how many kids and adults were attending before we finalized our Chuck E. Cheese reservations. After the RSVPs were sent in, my focus was then on putting together the contents of the goodie bags. Most of the contents of the goodie bags were purchased from Target. I decided on stickers, erasers, and a maze game in hopes that the kids will take some enjoyment in them for at least a few days. As for the snack, I included the fig bar since I was shooting for a healthier angle. I wanted the goodie bag to include at least one memorable item, so I went for the paper crane, the only origami piece I can make with complete confidence. My daughter then helped me pack each bag and tie it all up with a parting note giving thanks for coming to the party. The party was a huge success. Everyone who RSVP'd showed up, and the kids had such a blast at Chuck E. Cheese, and most importantly with each other. It also helped that they enjoyed the goodie bags. My daughter definitely had the time of her life, and I hope that she will remember that day when she is older. So that was my process in organizing a kid's birthday party. The biggest takeaways I hope you glean from this video is to number 1, secure the venue and send the invitations a month in advance. Number 2, use an online RSVP system for convenience. And number 3, to start the party as early as possible to allow attendees to enjoy the rest of the day. And bonus tip is to add something memorable and personable in the goodie bag. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you in next week. Goodbye.